English Learning Network.
Can you help me set the table?
Yes, I'll do it now.
Will you pick up your toys, please?
Sure, Mom.
Can you hold the door for me?
Of course.
Will you help me carry the groceries?
Yes, I'm coming.
Can you fold the clothes with me?
Okay, Mom.
Can you feed the dog today?
Yes, I can do that.
Will you clean your room now?
Yes, I'll clean it right away.
Can you wash your hands before eating?
Yes, Mom.
Can you water the plants outside?
Sure, I'd love to.
Will you help me bake cookies?
Yes, that sounds fun.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I finished it.
Are you being kind to everyone at school?
Yes, I am.
Why were you late to school?
I missed the bus, Mom.
Did you share your toys with your friend?
Yes, we played together.
Did you say sorry to your sister?
Yes, I apologized.
Did you follow the rules today?
Yes, I followed all the rules.
Why didn't you listen to the teacher?
I got distracted. I'll do better.
Are you keeping your promises?
Yes, I always try to.
Did you help your friend at school?
Yes, I helped with her homework.
Why don't you help your sister clean up?
Okay, I'll help her now.
Will you help me donate these clothes?
Yes, I'd love to help.
Will you help me clean the living room?
Sure, let's do it together.
Did you put your shoes in the rack?
Yes, I did, Mom. Mom, do you love me?
More than anything in the world, my little star. Did you tell Dad about your good grades?
Yes, he was happy.
If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next time.